Trading has become easier for me. So this is what I used to do. I used to come to the screen in my timing window and try to look at what the market is doing and adjust my strategy to fit what the market is doing. But after I learned, there is a different approach, and in this video I am going to show you how I prepare myself, and it takes a maximum of 3 days to prepare myself in order to start looking for entries. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe and let's jump into the video. Alright, so first things first, I identify the high and the low of the week, which is set in Monday. So on Monday, you can see this box. This box represents the high and the low of Monday. So I'm interested in looking at how does Tuesday close. So you can see with this box, I want to see price close back inside of this box. But if it does not close outside of the box, that pair is not interesting to me. So on Tuesday, as you can see, price opens inside of the box and closes outside of the box. All right. So what do? I redraw that box because now we've extended the high. Now, there's nothing interesting for me on this pair, the Aussie dollar. So let's look at an example of a pair that is interesting to me. So first things first, we have Monday setting the high and the low. So this is a box on Monday. On Tuesday, we have a breakout. So price breaks out and closes back inside of the box. So now this is a very interesting pair, because first things first, we broke out of the high, and now this is called a failed breakout at the high of the week. Price tries to break out and continue higher but fails, closes back inside of the week. But also look at where price opened. This was the open. So if we draw a straight line, look at where the open is, look at where the close is. The close is below the open, meaning we have now our first red day. Now, if I have my first red day, then I know on the next day I am looking for an opportunity to sell high. So if we get a setup today in my trading window, which is past 9:30, so I'm looking for my entries after 9:30, then this means this trade took almost 3 days, because Monday sets the high, Tuesday gives us our signal. So our signal is on Tuesday. So coming to the screen on Wednesday, I'm not trying to look for what is the market doing so that I can either buy or sell. I already know in my mind, today I am looking for a sell high opportunity on US 30. So if I already know what I am coming to the screen to look at, then I am just coming to look at price action. Is price action actually in line with my thesis? If not, well and good, we look at another instrument. Let's look at another instrument. Yes, this is an example of, this is now US Tech or Nasdaq. Now, you see Monday gives us this box. So we have our high, we have our low. Then on Tuesday, price breaks out. This small breakout here. Price breaks out and then closes back inside of the box. So now we have our failed breakout. Now, this is not the first red day or the first green day, but it is still a valid setup. When I'm coming to the screen on Wednesday, I am looking for a buy low opportunity. I'm looking for an opportunity to buy low in my timing window. So I'll just let all price action. We are in the London session, the beginning of the London session right now. I'll wait for the New York session at 9:30. And then from there, I will look at what price did during Asia and London and in the gap time, so that I have a general thesis of where I can buy if the market presents the opportunity. Let's look at the last example, which is the USD card. You can see price gave us a high and a low and gave us this box on Monday. Now, on Monday, if we have the box, on Tuesday, price breaks out and then closes back inside. So this is an explosive move up and down, which is just a failed breakout. Meaning, when I come to the screen on Wednesday, my thesis is that I'm looking for an opportunity to sell high. It's simple as that. Now, the reason why now trading is so much easier is because I already have a thesis in place when I come to the screen. So rather than trying to catch moves, I just look at a couple of instruments that give me a specific signal and then wait for the market to come back to me. Wait for the market to present the opportunity that follows my edge in terms of entry criteria. So basically, this is the way I trade, and if you're interested in learning this strategy, click the link in the description for the free mentorship program. And if you got value from today's video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.